Right, the special CBI court has in fact reserved the order on the bail plea of Kanimozhi till the 14th of May. Kaligna TV MD Sharat Kumar and Kanimozhi had in fact asked to appear in court every day till then. That's the latest breaking news. We have Poonam as well as Vikram Gopinath standing by on this story. Poonam, I'll come to you first. Take us through what happened in the court today.
Well, today the CBI counsel started the hearing at around 10 o'clock in the morning, where in the beginning itself the lawyer in fact mentioned, reading the charge sheet of the CBI, saying that Kanimozhi and Sharat Kumar, both of them have been charged with stringent charges, that is of receiving the bribe under the Prevention of Corruption Act and criminal conspiracy. Then the lawyer went on to say, a senior lawyer, Uday Lalit, who is appearing for the CBI, he said that Kanimozhi is the active brain behind the formation of Kaligna TV. In fact, she was one of the directors of Kaligna TV when the television was formed in 2007. In fact, he also said that she was in close interaction with A. Raja ever since the television was formed, and also the fact that Kanimozhi would have continued as a director of the Kaligna TV, but because of the security clearance which she couldn't get from the Home Ministry, she could not retain the directorship of Kaligna TV. So these details were placed in front of the court, and then the lawyer went on to say that it is very difficult to consume the fact that she did not have the knowledge of this money that was siphoned off as a kickback from DB Realty to Kaligna TV for the formation of the television. The bribe money was 200 crores, when the fact is very much here in the when the evidences are there to show that Kanimozhi was the active brain in the formation of the television. And just yesterday, Mr. Jethmalani, who appeared for Kanimozhi, told to the court that Kanimozhi is innocent and had nothing to do with the Kaligna TV, and all the conspiracy happened between A. Raja, hatched between A. Raja and the other corporate honchos. But today, CBI vehemently opposed all these allegations and said that on these evidences, which are already been placed by the CBI on record in the charge sheet and annexures, on these grounds, she and Sharat Kumar both should be taken into the judicial custody. So now the order has been reserved till 14th of May, which means that a status quo would be maintained by both Kanimozhi and Sharat Kumar, and they both need to appear in the court till 14th of May, the day when a bail application will be decided whether it should be accepted or rejected.
Right, Poonam, do stay on with us. Vikram, I'll come to you in just a short while from now. Let's just quickly listen into all the reactions that came in from outside the Patiala House Court in Delhi.
Today they have stated that their 88 CRPC application should be treated as their bail application itself, and the arguments have been concluded. The order has been reserved for 14th, but they have not been taken into custody, and the order of the court is that daily they will come to the court and would join the proceedings. And after 2 o'clock, the argument for my client Asif Balwa and Rajiv Agarwal would get started.
Let's listen into those calculated and measured response by the DMK.
See, we don't want to comment anything at present because the court is doing its work and the orders are reserved to 14th and we shall wait till then.
Sir, has your party isolated Raja now?
No, it's all your imaginations and it has been presented like that. No such thing.
But sir, in the proceeding itself, you have told that
No, don't go into the arguments and merits of the case now. You wait till then, and how you are imagining or putting up things is not true.
Sir, how hopeful are you that Kanimozhi will get paid?
See, we are always optimistic and we are waiting till 14th for the orders of the court.
Is it a good news that on 13th the counting is going to happen, and till that time she has released that she will not be getting the judgment?
No, I think there's nothing between the election results coming and orders are reserved. It's a coincidence.
Hello? Mr. Balu? I'm just trying. Mr. Balu? Yes. Mr. Balu,
then I cannot. I am not a lawyer. I cannot discuss anything more. The special court has asked Madam Kanimozhi and Sarath Kumar to appear before the special court on 14th May.